How do I know that my idea will become a business? Now, I'm going to answer these questions from the perspective of an investor, not as a founder. So, what I'm going to answer is, how do I know that my idea for a business will get funded by an investor at a very early stage? Because that's what my forte is, that's what I understand. And when I look at an idea from from a founder, from the perspective whether should I be investing in that or not, for me the biggest criteria is that, is this idea of a product or a service new, or is it an improvement on what already exists? And what I mean by that is that many times people feel that there is somebody else who's trying to do it, but his method or his approach is not right, and I feel that I can do it better than what they are doing. And that, according to me, is not the idea that the investors will back. What is important is that you have a deep insight about either a behavior change or a new technology, because of which the solution that you are thinking will be exceptionally better than the way things are being done currently. And in today's world, where there are so many new technologies in terms of mobile adoption, in terms of AI, in terms of data, in terms of India stack, logistics, any problem that you face or any problem that you pick up can be improved. A new solution can be found which is vastly superior to the way things are being done currently. And that is the insight, or that's the genesis of a good idea, that I'm going to use the today's technology or something to solve today's problem in a way which will make my solution exceptionally, hugely better than the way things are being done currently. So that's the first part, that whatever you are suggesting is in terms of the solution or the product, the idea that you have has to be much better than the way things are being done currently. And the reason why this becomes very important is that it is because of the fact that your solution is exceptionally better, that people will switch. What happens is that if your idea is slightly better, or it's a twice as good or thrice as good, maybe half as cheap, twice as fast, those are not the reasons why people will change their behavior. They will change their behavior only if they find that your solution, either a service or the product, is 10 times better. And the better can be in various aspects. It could be 10 times faster, it could be 10 times more efficient, it could be 10 times more cheaper, whatever, but there has to be quantum level difference between the way things are done and the way it will be done after your solution. Because only that will give you the pricing power. That's the only thing which will ensure that you would be able to charge and monetize your service or the product. Otherwise, your margins will always be under pressure, because there would be somebody else who would be able to come and say, maybe my solution is slightly inferior, but because the price is less, therefore continue with my product or use my product. So the pricing power becomes very important. The monopoly part of it, that nobody else is there who can provide that service, becomes very important. That's the second aspect, that the reason I'm investing is because I expect that you will make a lot of money in the future, and you will be able to make money in the future only if you are able to protect your margins, and the margins will be protected only if you are far superior to your competition. And related to these two aspects of being much better and having a good margin is the fact that you should be able to defend yourself in the market for a very long time. And what I mean by that is that if you are successful, it should not happen that 10 more people come and are able to copy your solution, and because they are able to capitalize better, they are able to compete with you. So there has to be some kind of defensibility in your business, and normally the defensibility comes either because you have the networking effect, or you have a very strong brand, or you have economies of scale or whatever. But the point is that as an investor, what I want, or at least I want a visibility that you will have less competition and you will be able to defend your market for a very, very long time. So those are the things that as an investor I look in an idea when I'm thinking about investing in something.